Do you feel that your skin is aging faster than it actually should? Hi, this is Dr. Priyanka Thakre from Neurot Skin Hair and Laser Clinic. If you live in humid coastal areas with a lot of UV exposure, with a lot of sunlight exposure, there might be other hidden things which actually might be affecting your skin, which you're not aware of. In this moisture-laden environment, your skin must be always moist, and you must think that your skin is always hydrated, which is completely wrong, because this moisture and this humidity is just creating a layer of moisture over your skin, but actually it is disrupting your collagen and elastin fibers, which is actually needed for your youthful skin. Plus, add UV rays to it. UV rays causing pigmentation and dullness. It adds up to your aging process. Sunlight doesn't always cause only pigmentation and tanning, but it disrupts your collagen and elastin fibers, which is actually needed for your collagen production. On the other hand, humidity is causing sagging of your skin over your neck or under your eyes and your jaws, because these are the main targeted areas. But you don't need to worry about it, because there's always a solution for a problem. First thing is, you need to add sunscreen in your daily routine. You have to reapply it every 3 hours, and also sunscreen you have to change it according to the weather, because you need a different kind of sunscreen on different kind of weather, in dry weather, or if it's very sunny, if it's moist. Don't avoid moisturizing cream at all. You can apply thin layer of moisturizer over your skin, but don't avoid it completely. Add ceramides, vitamin C, vitamin E, antioxidants in your skincare routine. Also, there are many skincare treatments available in our clinic, which includes RF skin tightening and anti-aging facials. Also, you can go for injectables which will make your skin youthful, which are not harmful at all. In this process of aging, which is accelerated by UV exposure and humidity, prevention is cure is a phrase better suited for it. Thank you.